CBS 2 Broadcast Center in Chicago. This is CBS 2 News at 6.
A legal rarity. A frail inmate walks out of prison today after a compassionate court agrees to let her out. A judge sentenced Bonnie Liltz to 4 years behind bars for killing her daughter. After just 2 months, she's out, but she still faces tough legal and medical fights. Next to her sister and mother, Bonnie Liltz leaves Logan Correctional Center in downstate Lincoln.
Yes, I'm glad to be going home.
While she's happy to put the barbed wire behind her, the reality is Liltz could wind up back in prison. Liltz killed her profoundly disabled daughter, Courtney. The mom fearing she herself would soon lose her battle with cancer and wanting her daughter to be with her in heaven. In May, a judge sentenced Bonnie Liltz to 4 years in prison. Walking out today, the frail 84-pound woman acknowledged her medical struggles.
Difficult, health-wise, yeah. I need to get healthier.
We talked to Liltz's defense attorney this afternoon. He tells us she wants to get settled back at home and get her medical issues addressed. In addition to fighting cancer, Liltz also has severe digestive issues that worsened in prison. Attorney Thomas Glasgow is grateful the prosecution and court allowed Liltz to be free during the appeals process. A move so unusual, the court and prison had to figure out how to process that order for release. Glasgow is hoping Liltz never returns to prison, but if she loses her appeal, she could have to finish up the rest of that 4-year sentence.